why you need to watch out for ICP trends right now. And this is the Internet Computer Coin, and see what's going on in this market because I think something big is about to happen. And especially because Bitcoin looks like it is on the move right now. I did a more detailed video about Bitcoin earlier today. Make sure to watch that video and why I think that could be significant for the altcoin markets, including ICP. Now, what's going on with ICP right now is that it looks like it hasn't really moved much. But I've been talking about this huge pattern for ICP that could still be happening, that is likely to happen because this is a falling wedge pattern, and falling wedges tend to break to the upside. If you guys been following my videos, you guys could see that a lot of altcoins I've been pointing out have these patterns, which is probably the most common pattern you guys will see if you train your eyes to see it. It is simple, it is effective because it tells you after an extensive downtrend that the price action is likely to break to the upside. Okay, of course, there's downside risk as well. I've seen falling wedges break to the downside as well. That is something to also be considering. But we have a huge one here on this weekly time frame. ICP looks like it's still in the midsection of this pattern here, so it hasn't really done too much yet. Now, price target for ICP, if it breaks out by this point, just for example, it's going to give ICP a price target of about $24. Now, price targets are estimates only. There could be more or less. Very much depends on the type of market we're in. And right now, I still think that we're still in a very bullish market because Bitcoin is still early in its bull cycle. And I think it has quite a bit of room to go. And if that is the case, I think a lot of these altcoins will have quite a bit of room to go as well. Of course, that could change if Bitcoin starts dumping, but I'll tell you guys when I change my opinion. Now, let's go ahead and take a look into the daily time frame. Okay, so we have the weekly time frame. Let's zoom in and see if I can get any more clarity on what could be happening here. Last video, I talked about a possible cup and handle that could still be forming. It hasn't formed completely yet, in my opinion. Of course, this video is fully just my opinion and not financial advice. Gotta do your own research. But here, what I'm seeing is still a cup and handle that could still be forming. Okay, I'm looking for a retest back up to this about $6.35 price range. Okay, that zone there. I adjusted a little bit from my previous video down from I think $6.40, but now I'm looking down here to be more specific. It's about the $6.35 zone. Okay, if it breaks out of this, if it comes up to retest that zone, and breaks out of this then formed cup and handle pattern, it could have a price target of upwards of $8. Quite a bit of resistance along the way, including the daily 200 SMA for all types of significance. Okay, that's about $6 right now. So something to be paying attention to. I am long on Bitcoin and quite a bit of altcoins across the board. So if you guys want to continue seeing altcoin uh, follow-ups or updates, make sure to drop a like, comment, subscribe, letting me know what you guys want to see, if you guys want to continue seeing more of ICP. And this wraps up for this very quick update. I'll see you on the next one.